Isotopes. They're not just tiny particles. They are the unsung heroes of modern society, with a staggering range of applications. From transforming healthcare to powering space exploration, isotopes play a fundamental role in our daily lives. Despite their widespread use and critical importance, isotope production is dominated by only a few players globally, mainly Russia and China. But that's about to change. Enter ASP Isotopes, a company on a mission to transform the isotope industry utilizing revolutionary technology developed in South Africa. Their technology enriches isotopes of elements or molecules with low atomic masses, which traditional methods like centrifuges can't handle. ASP Isotopes, which IPO'd on NASDAQ in late 2022, is initially focusing on commercializing molybdenum-100, a potential game-changer for the diagnostic imaging market, and carbon-14, an essential radiolabel for drug discovery and pharmacokinetics. In Q1 2023, they completed cold commissioning of their first manufacturing plant and have already signed a memorandum of understanding with a North American customer for the entire offtake of the facility. ASP Isotopes intends to enter into additional take-or-pay style offtake agreements with customers, and by 2028, it expects to be a leading supplier of non-nuclear enriched isotopes, generating over $150 million in EBITDA per annum. In addition to its MOU with a North American customer, ASP Isotopes secured a 25-year supply agreement valued at up to $27 million per annum to supply highly enriched molybdenum-100 to the Beijing Research Institute of Chemical Engineering Metallurgy. ASP Isotopes technology is a low-capital cost, environmentally friendly method of isotope production. It's a game-changer, harvesting and enriching a natural mix of isotopes, producing zero waste without the need for nuclear reactor byproducts. With planned phase-outs of old research nuclear reactors and geopolitical uncertainties, there's a significant opportunity for ASP Isotopes to fill the gap in the global supply. Join ASP Isotopes and become part of the future of healthcare and scientific advancement. Don't just watch this revolution unfold, be a part of it. Learn more at aspiinfo.com or call 1-800-RED-CHIP.